Love that Starbucks run. We all do. There's something magical about that first sip of your favorite drink, the ambience of the coffee shop, and the friendly baristas who know your name. But let's be honest, it can put a dent in your wallet. Those daily trips add up quickly, and before you know it, you're spending a small fortune on coffee. And those calories? Let's just say they add up. Many of our favorite drinks are loaded with sugar and other ingredients that aren't exactly waistline friendly. But here's the good news. You can recreate your favorite Starbucks drinks right at home. Imagine the satisfaction of making that perfect cup yourself, tailored exactly to your taste. It's easier than you think, and it's a great way to save money. Think of all the things you could do with the extra cash, maybe a vacation, a new gadget, or just a little extra in your savings. Plus, you control what goes in. You can choose healthier ingredients, adjust the sweetness, and even experiment with new flavors. That means less sugar, fewer calories, and a healthier you. You can use natural sweeteners like honey or agave and add fresh fruits for a burst of flavor. So ditch the drive-thru and let's get brewing. Not only will you save time, but you'll also enjoy the process of making your own coffee. We're going to unlock the secrets to 3 Starbucks classics: the Iced Caramel Macchiato, the Matcha Latte, and the ever-so-popular pink drink. These recipes are simple, fun, and oh so delicious. The Iced Caramel Macchiato is a perfect blend of espresso, milk, and caramel. The Matcha Latte is a creamy green tea delight. And the pink drink? It's a refreshing mix of coconut milk, strawberries, and acai. Get ready for some fun, deliciousness, and a whole lot of savings. Invite your friends over for a DIY coffee party, share your creations on social media, and enjoy the pride of making something amazing with your own hands. Cheers to homemade happiness. Ready for a taste of that caramel goodness? Let's dive into the world of homemade iced caramel macchiatos. Here's your shopping list. You'll need iced milk, your choice of dairy or non-dairy, vanilla extract, strong brewed coffee, caramel sauce, and sugar, optional. These simple ingredients will come together to create a delightful beverage that rivals any coffee shop creation. First, fill a glass with ice. The ice is crucial as it keeps your drink refreshingly cold and gives it that signature iced texture. Next, add a splash of vanilla extract to the glass. This adds a subtle, aromatic sweetness that complements the caramel perfectly. Then, pour in half a cup of milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer, whether it's whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk. Now, it's time for the coffee. Pour in your strong brewed coffee, but make sure to leave some space at the top of the glass. The coffee should be strong to balance the sweetness of the caramel and vanilla. If you have a sweet tooth, you can add sugar to your liking. However, keep in mind that the caramel sauce will also add a good amount of sweetness, so you might want to go easy on the sugar. Now for the fun part, drizzle that caramel sauce generously over the top. The caramel sauce not only adds sweetness but also gives the drink its signature flavor and a beautiful, appetizing look. Stir gently to mix all the flavors together. This step is crucial to ensure that every sip is a perfect blend of coffee, milk, vanilla, and caramel. Take a moment to appreciate the beautiful swirls of caramel and coffee as you stir. Finally, take a sip and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've got yourself a homemade iced caramel macchiato that not only tastes amazing, but also looks like it came straight out of a coffee shop. Cheers to your barista skills. You bet. Making your own iced caramel macchiato isn't just about saving money, it's also about making healthier choices. By using your own milk, you control the fat content. Opt for almond milk or skim milk for a lighter option. And the sugar, you're in the driver's seat. Use less or try a natural sweetener like honey or agave, see? Delicious can be good for you too. Matcha lovers, this one's for you. Gather your ingredients: matcha powder, hot water, milk, any kind, and honey or maple syrup, optional. First, whisk together 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with a little hot water until it's smooth and frothy. Heat your milk separately. You can warm it on the stovetop or in the microwave. Now pour the hot milk into your mug, add your sweetener of choice, and then gently pour the matcha mixture over the top. Stir, sip, and enjoy that vibrant green goodness. Section 5. Matcha green goodness in a cup. Matcha isn't just trendy, it's packed with health benefits. It's loaded with antioxidants, boosts brain function, and can even give your metabolism a kickstart. Plus, it provides a calm, focused energy without the coffee jitters. Talk about a win-win. Section 6. The Pink Drink, a homemade delight. Today we're diving into the world of homemade beverages, and what better way to start than with the iconic pink drink from Starbucks. This delightful, refreshing drink has taken the world by storm, and now you can recreate it right in your own kitchen. Time for the star of the show, the pink drink. You'll need ice, coconut milk, white grape juice, freeze-dried strawberries, the secret ingredient, and a dash of passion tango tea, which is optional. These ingredients are simple, yet when combined, they create a magical drink that's both refreshing and visually stunning. The passion tango tea adds a unique twist to the drink, giving it that extra zing. While it's optional, it truly elevates the flavor profile, making it taste even closer to the original Starbucks version. If you have it on hand, definitely give it a try. Fill your cup with ice. The ice is crucial, as it keeps the drink chilled and refreshing, perfect for a hot summer day or whenever you need a cool treat. Add half a cup of coconut milk and half a cup of white grape juice. The coconut milk gives the drink its creamy texture, while the white grape juice adds a subtle sweetness that balances the flavors perfectly. Now, drop in a handful of freeze-dried strawberries. These little gems are the secret to achieving that signature pink hue and a burst of fruity flavor. They not only look beautiful, but also infuse the drink with a delightful strawberry essence. These will add that signature pink hue and a burst of fruity flavor. The strawberries slowly rehydrate in the liquid, releasing their color and flavor, transforming your drink into a vibrant, Instagram-worthy masterpiece. Give it a good stir. Mixing the ingredients well ensures that every sip is a perfect blend of creamy coconut milk, sweet grape juice, and fruity strawberries. Take your time to stir thoroughly, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. For an extra touch of Starbucks flavor, add a splash of passion tango tea. This step is optional, but it adds a lovely floral note and a hint of tartness that complements the sweetness of the drink. If you're a fan of the original pink drink, you'll appreciate this added layer of flavor. There you have it, a refreshing, Instagram-worthy pink drink made with love and less money in your own kitchen. Not only is it a treat for your taste buds, but it's also a feast for the eyes. Share it with friends, enjoy it on a sunny day, or simply savor it as a delightful homemade indulgence. Cheers to creating your own homemade delight. Section 7. Pink Drink Healthier Choices. The pink drink at Starbucks can be a sugar bomb, but when you make it at home, you're in control. Use unsweetened coconut milk to reduce the sugar content significantly. And instead of relying on artificial flavorings, you're using real fruit. Section 8. Calorie Showdown, Starbucks versus you. Let's talk numbers. A grande iced caramel macchiato at Starbucks will set you back around 250 calories. Make it at home, and you can easily shave off 50 to 100 calories depending on your ingredients. The pink drink, a grande clocks in at around 240 calories. The homemade version, you can enjoy it for as low as 150 calories. That's a big difference. Section 9. My DIY Buzz. There's something so satisfying about making your own Starbucks drinks. Maybe it's the feeling of accomplishment, or maybe it's the extra cash in your pocket. Whatever it is, I'm hooked. It's become my little ritual, my way to unwind and treat myself without the guilt. Section 10. What's your Starbucks style? So there you have it. 3 Starbucks favorites, conquered in your own kitchen. Now it's your turn. What Starbucks drink are you excited to try making at home? Share your successes and any fun variations in the comments below. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Seed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts,